I will be working on the floor. I'm going to put in all the woodwork. This morning I have been busy with the first part. This is basically the one for the couch. I put some extra ones in just because of the weight, so we can actually lay a thin piece of wood on top, so every little bit saves some weight. I'm also just tried insulation part, if it actually goes under, and it looks like I have been doing a good job, so I am happy. You know what, I have so much respect for people that work with wood now. It is so hard. I'm struggling, and I hope in the end I can be proud of what I'm doing, because at the moment I'm proud, but we will see when this whole van is finished how I feel about it then. Otherwise I need to take it out, but that's the thing, you can't, because I put kit under it. So under on the floor we have, you can see a little bit the kit, and then I screw it through the floor of the van with this special self-drilling screws. So these ones I put on 2 spots, like in the beginning and the end of the wood, and that makes it extra secure. So under the car you will have like a big piece sticking out, because it's quite a big screw, but I'm not sure yet if I'm gonna cut it off or just leave it like that. Probably leave it like that, but that's the job for when I'm under the car. Yeah, that's it. I'm gonna continue because it's a lot of work, especially if you don't really know what you're doing. It takes a lot of time, so enjoy. So happy because it is done. This took me so much more time than I expected, and it was so much more difficult than I expected, but it's finally done. Next step, the wood is in. Now it's time to make the holes that I made for the truma, for the shower, for the gas outlet in the kitchen, the sink in the kitchen for sure. Yeah, we have a special plan for that. So we got this fancy outlets. It's PVC, and it has, like, this is going to be inside the van, and then you have the ring that's also going to be inside. It's a little bit of rubber. It's going to be inside the van. The white and the screw thing is going to be outside. So we choose to use these ones to make an extra step in between having water like from the outside coming in the van, because I'm a little bit scared of that. I don't want the insulation to get wet. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do now. Put these ones in. I still need to make one extra hole for the toilet. So these are the holes for the truma. This is the emergency outlet for the hot water. This is for the gas, for the little roaster. No clue what that is in English. And then the emergency frost outlet for the truma as well. So this is all for the truma. Then you got the shower outlet. There is the one for the sink, and here also the one for the gas that comes out directly here and goes up for the stove. This is the outlet, because gas is heavier than air, it will always go down, so I want a nice big outlet for that. So that's gonna be there. Yeah, that's basically it. Hello, another day in the van, and today I'm finishing the things on the floor, putting the rubbery stuff on. I did now the holes of the bolts as well, so everything is actually ready for the insulation to go over and then for the floor to come on. At the moment, my dad is making this system so that we never need to open the floor to actually tie up the gas tank again, because what's gonna happen under this will be this system. So we're gonna put this from the top on the screws. I don't think you call them screws, but I don't know the English word for it. And then on the end you need to tie it up with these ones. But if you don't want to open your floor the whole time, you want them to be secured. So that's why you're making this at the moment. This system will make sure that the bolts, that's what it's called, the bolts will not move anywhere. So we're making that for all of them. And then it's time to put the gas tank under the car. So all the insulation is in the floor. I put some sheep wool on the spots where there was a little bit of an opening. So now it's perfect, and we can start with the floor panels, the wooden floor panels that go on top. We made an extra hole as well for the 𝐁𝐨𝐧𝐯𝐭 toilet outlet, so that goes in here tomorrow, and then we can really put it in. The other thing I am looking at is this. So this is the step. This is where you're gonna be able to go in, but this whole section is gonna be under the kitchen. So what I want to do is I want to make like a little spot here where you can put some ropes or anything. I don't know what yet, but you always find something to put there. So now I need to make a plan on how long these pieces of wood need to be, so it's not gonna come into the door. But yeah, I'm probably gonna close this section off because the gas pipe is gonna come through here, and this is the outlet for the gas. So it's important that that doesn't go into the van. So yeah, that's actually the next issue, how to make this a nice spot to put some stuff. Putting this in. Ta-da! Yes, the floor is done. I'm so happy. Look at this. Ta-da! Thank you for watching our video. I hope you liked it. If you did, please leave a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel to not miss out on anything of our van build and soon van life. Bye!